Do you guys want to recap how we found that zone for the bottom today? All right, let's go. How do we find it? So one, this was an area where we originally saw a really big aggressive buyer. The market got under him with this really aggressive selling. If we recapture an area like that where these big aggressive selling, and we can see this low volume area spot here as well, it's just a key pivotal spot where we've seen big orders coming in 1 time, 2 times. We dipped into it and held 3 times, look at that. And then forming up today, we had this large kind of balanced bell curve range formed just above there. So what happens when we break under that value area low? It triggered a lot of people to chase it short right into this key area of support and resistance where we've seen big players get involved. So when we came back into it, a lot of people chased it short on the break of that low. Look at that big aggressive selling, right? That's not small orders. And so when we dipped down there, we saw weaker selling all the way into the lows. And then in real time on Bookmap, we saw really aggressive buying step in. That's what I was saying. Like I was catching it down here in a zone, just targeting a scout back up into here. What I said in real time is like, okay, if we recapture above these aggressive sellers were absorbed by big passive buyers. Now we're back above them. Aggressive buyers will likely want to defend if we pull back into them. We pulled back into them and those big aggressive buyers did defend there. So we're likely going to rip towards these highs of this range at least.